This is part 3 of chapter 3. Look at, 3.9. We want to convert 10.5 feet per hour to an equivalent rate in inches per minute. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to write 10.5 feet per hour. I'm going to use 10.5. To an equivalent rate in inches per minute. So this one has to do a double conversion. I need to change feet into inches and hours into minutes. So 12 inches equals 1 foot, and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. I'm going to do this double conversion, and I'm going to do it in 2 steps. There is a way to do it in 1, but I'm going to do it in 2. It's easier to understand. So I just need to pick one to start off with. Let's change feet into inches. So I want feet to be in the bottom. So 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. Okay, our units cancel out here. And I have 10.5 times 12. And that gives me 126. So this is 126 inches to 1 hour. Okay, so I've got the inches. Now I need to go to minutes. So I'm going to take 126 inches per 1 hour. And I'm trying to get rid of hours. So I'm going to put 1 hour up here and then put 60 minutes in the bottom. The hours cancel out. And then, so what I end up with is 126 inches over 60 minutes. And I'm going to do that division. 126 divided by 60 gives me 2.1. So this answer is 2.1 inches per minute. Or you could write inches per minute. Means the same thing. This one's very similar. I want to convert 3.2 inches per second into feet per minute. Okay, so we have 3.2 inches for 1 second. There are, again, 12 inches in 1 foot, and there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Okay. So let's get rid of seconds first. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And, I could have chosen either conversion first. It really doesn't make any difference. So the seconds cancel out. And I have 3.2 times 60, which gives me 192. That's 192 inches for 1 minute. Okay, and then 192 inches per 1 minute is, I need to get rid of inches, so 12 inches go in the bottom, and that's 1 foot in the top. The inches cancel. Is 192 divisible by 12? Yes, it is. So this will reduce. If I divide this by 12, I get a 1. Divide this by 12, and I get a 16. So my answer will be 16 feet per minute. Okay. Okay, last one in this chapter. Water is flowing from a hose at the rate of 1.2 pints per second. Convert this to an equivalent flow rate measured in quarts per minute. So I'm going to need to change seconds to minutes and pints to quarts. Seconds to minutes, I'm sure you know. 60 seconds, we just used it, is equal to 1 minute. But what about pints and quarts? Okay, so I go back to our equivalency sheet, and I have 2 pints is equal to 1 quart. So 2 pints is equal to 1 quart. That is a lowercase cursive Q. It's not some funky 8, okay? So I have 1.2 pints for 1 second. And I need to do that double conversion, okay? Let's get rid of seconds first. So 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. The seconds cancel out, and I need to multiply 1.2 times 60, and I get 72. So this is equal to 72 pints for 1 minute. Now I need to do the, we've got pints per minute, I need quarts per minute. So I need to get rid of the pints. 72 pints for 1 minute times, okay, there are 2 pints and I'm trying to get rid of that. So on the diagonal, 2 pints for 1 quart. Pints cancel out, and these will reduce. If I divide 2 by 2, I get a 1. 72 divided by 2 is 36. So my answer is 36 quarts per minute. Now, I mentioned that this is one of, if not the most important chapter in the entire course. Pretty much everything else we do is based on this. So it's going to be critically important that if you were having trouble with this, that you contact me so we can get you the help you need so that you can do this.